Hey, are you thinking about starting affiliate marketing, but you think it's too hard and too expensive? Well, I have a very cool solution for you. Keep watching, and I promise you won't regret it.
Hey, it's Bryan Winters here, and I gotta say, it's no wonder you're struggling online. You've been doing things the hard way, trying to make money with one affiliate offer at a time, one funnel at a time, one product at a time. Yikes. As you've already discovered, trying to find people who might be interested in buying one particular offer is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Why not leave that sort of thing to the gurus and do things the easy way? So what's the easy way? Well, have you ever had somebody ask to buy a product of their choice through your affiliate link, your referral link? Well, I have, and it's the easiest money I've ever made for obvious reasons. I give people my affiliate link to the product they've asked for, they click on it and buy, and I make my commission. How cool is that? Now just imagine if there were a simple, repeatable system enabling you to do that same thing over and over again, a passive income system that would incentivize countless people to come directly to you for the exact products that they want to buy, a system that would let them choose from thousands of offers, all hard-coded with your commission links. Imagine how fast you could rack up hands-free income that way, and better yet, what if you could automate the whole process, meaning every affiliate sale made? Well, no more what ifs. The system I'm alluding to is not only possible thanks to new technology, it's only a few clicks away. Now, this is not what you think. Make no mistake about it, this system has nothing to do with becoming an Amazon affiliate or trying to get rich off of puny 3% commissions, nor does it have anything to do with e-com or online retail stores. What I'm about to introduce you to entails an unconventional new way to stuff your account with commissions of 40%, 50%, and even 75% a pop. Big commissions of $49, $197, even $500 per sale on over 4,000 products at once, and 3 to 5 figure paydays that rival the kind me and my business partner Tom E. are used to, the income you're looking at right now. And now it's your turn. It's your turn to buck the system, because listen, the old way of doing affiliate marketing no longer works for most people. Normally you'd find a product you want to make money with. You then have to find people online who want that particular product. So then you have to learn how to target and reach that specific audience, and then you hope that a very small percentage of that audience buys enough copies or units to make a profit. Ugh. It's time to stop doing the things that haven't worked for you. It's time to buck the system to start making real money online. Introducing CB Moneyvine. CB Moneyvine is what my business partner Tom E. and I have dubbed a reverse income system, and it's truly remarkable. You see, instead of traditional affiliate marketing where you have to hunt people down to sell them on your particular offer, CB Moneyvine sends the buyers to you. So it's quite literally the opposite of affiliate marketing. It's affiliate marketing in reverse. Now here's how CB Moneyvine's included software plus system work in harmony to make you money in reverse. Now first, the software. To get started, simply log in and use our secret one-click software to brand over 4,000 products with your affiliate link. This takes 60 seconds and you're done. Instant super affiliate status. Zero waiting or hassles to get affiliate approval like maybe you've dealt with before. And all commissions are paid directly to your account, which will look like this. And now the system. Yes, having over 4,000 offers ready to stuff your account with 40 to 75% commissions and in 60 seconds flat is incredibly impressive, something you cannot do anywhere else online. However, all the products in the world won't do you a bit of good unless coupled with a system that converts them into easy money for you. But not to worry, we've got you covered. You're going to be using CB Moneyvine's done-for-you reverse income system, or RIS, which includes your own instant website to begin making money as soon as today. Now, our unconventional system forces people to buy from you through an ingenious built-in incentivization program, and not only buy from you, but do so month after month on autopilot. Now, I'm talking about a system proven to generate and pay out residual commissions on 100% cruise control. I guarantee you've never seen anything like it. CB Moneybind is the first of its kind. Now, the heart of the CB Moneybind system is the very special website that's automatically generated for you the moment you log in. Now, despite it having over 4,000 products tagged with your commission links, it's not a retail store of any kind, nor is it a web funnel with, endless products. It's far more clever than either one of those. You see, your CB Moneybind website enables you to easily generate an unlimited vine, as we call it, of CBMV free version sub-members, people who are incentivized to buy the products that they choose through your affiliate links, and do so month after month on complete autopilot. Now, it's our proprietary incentivization system built into your website that fuels your income 24/7 by getting people excited to buy. Excited because they too will be able to cash in with the CB Moneybind system right after they buy from you. Now, if things are still a little fuzzy at the moment, not to worry. Everything about CB Moneybind screams simple, but nevertheless, I'll be giving you a full walkthrough once you're inside. Now, you know what else sucks about conventional affiliate marketing? Well, how about the fact that if you don't continue making one-off sales, you and your business basically starve to death? Now, wouldn't you rather get paid over and over again, month after month, without having to keep selling? And better yet, without having to sell at all? Well, of course you would. And, not to toot my own horn here, but I'm a residual income ninja. Just one of my many sites has made millions in monthly income, as you can see here, and I've applied my multi-million-dollar residual income expertise to devise a monthly income machine in the form of CB Moneybind. No more living off of one affiliate sale to the next. It's like living paycheck to paycheck. Like I said, buck the system. It's time to build an online income that you can depend on month after month. To get started, simply click the Add to Cart button below to get instant access right away. Now, CB Moneybind is our best work to date and set to become one of the most powerful income systems in our industry, so Tom and I are not about to let copycatters reverse engineer and knock us off without a fight. And with that in mind, CB Moneybind's proprietary software plus system is strictly for members only, but I can certainly understand you wanting a quick peek under the hood before joining, so here are a few spy shots for you to check it out. Now listen, CB Moneybind isn't ultimately about making money. It's about creating the type of life that you want for yourself and your family, just like Tom and I have done. We don't live to make money. We make money to live. We both love making music, travel and vacations, spending time with our friends and our families, and a whole lot more. And I want you to picture yourself doing what you love, whether it's laying on the beach, watching movies, golfing, or playing at the park with your kids. Whatever it may be, picture it right now. And now imagine being able to do it anytime you choose. Well, right here now, you can either choose to continue doing what society has conditioned you to do, waking up to your alarm 5 days a week, living for the weekends only, and being a slave to your job, or you can join CB Moneybind and buck the system once for all. Click the Add to Cart button below to join now, and Tom and I really look forward to seeing you inside.
I changed my life completely by using the system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.